Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7i Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on capture category. Here we can find the watermark option, so let's pick it. Now at the second position we have Moto E7i Power watermark, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And when we have it turned on, we can see it also in short preview. So this is how the device watermark looks like shot on Moto E7i Power. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.